Lion's instinct, an example of nature. Lions usually become hunters of human lives when they are so old that they cannot hunt wild animals. However, from this category, 9 out of 10 are those lions that are wounded or injured by poacher, inexpert hunters. By nature, lions are not man-eater. However, they are the worst enemy amongst all animals. If lions consider anyone their enemy, they do not spare their opponent at any cost. In normal circumstances, lions avoid human beings, but the lions that are hurt and wounded anytime by any human being are the worst enemy of human life. They never miss a chance to attack human life. This is the law of nature, which does not only apply on lions, but it also applies on human life, nations, and countries. Keeping in view of this scenario, human beings and nations should not try to harm each other. Conversely, they should support and help each other. In this way, the brotherhood and peace prevail. Countries help each other generation to generation, and everybody enjoy prosperity, development, and happiness. Nutshell, instead of enmity and destruction of each other, we should learn from this example of nature for peace, love, and harmony in human lives. We should cooperate and help each other. Its benefits are numerous and long lasting.